Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are first time watching my channel, remember to click the subscribe button and also the notification bell beside the subscribe button so that each time I upload a new video, you'll be updated. And also remember to give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and also share with your friends who like all this unboxing of my luxury item, that you can share with your friends, and who your friend that which is interested in all this unboxing video. Okay, it's been a while since I do the last unboxing. Hope everyone, you guys are doing well. Okay, today you can see I'm doing unboxing from Louis Vuitton. Yeah, so this is also a small leather good SLG so called. Yeah, and this is the receipt holder of my new purchases. Yeah, so okay, so this is my packaging. As you guys can see, this is really very nice. Yeah, this is a so-called like a box, and I really like Louis Vuitton packaging. Yeah, correct. And this one I tell my SA that I'm going to do an unboxing video, so it is nicely wrapped up for me with a ribbon, etc. Okay, without further ado, let's do the unboxing now. Okay, so this is quite convenient and I really like their packaging. As you can see, it's just like drawer form, so I just have to take out this. Yeah, will do. So without further ado, let's review. Are you guys excited? What is it? Okay, so this is a so-called like a new collection from Louis Vuitton, and I went to the boutique that day and I saw it, but they only have one piece each in each boutique, and I decided, since the SA say that told me that I can place an order, so I just placed an order, and about 1 week plus I got a message that my wallet is here. Okay, so without further ado, let's review. Are you guys excited? Ta-da! Okay, this is my new Louis Vuitton long wallet, and this is the new spring summer collection. Yeah, 2001. So you guys, if you guys follow, you guys should know that this is a new collection. They come in a lot, even the card holder, which I'm also quite keen. So I like this green because I think it's quite special, and I think they also have it in blue also, and also other like bags, etc. So if you guys are interested, you guys can take a look. So this is the standard monogram, but this is in green, which I think is quite special, which seldom you have green one. And this is so-called the print on the logo, for this collection, Louis Vuitton, yeah, and hyphen. Yeah, and this is the back of the long wallet. Yeah, and I think for me, I quite like this color is because I think to me it's very hard and rare to find a green long wallet. So I think maybe like Goyak they do have also, and Foyer Lepage, etc. But I don't think there's a lot that produce long wallet in green color. And inside is white in color. So outside is so-called like the canvas, but inside my SA told me is leather. You guys can see this one. So they're written Louis Vuitton made in France, and this is so-called like the new collection. Yep. Okay, so and this is quite, for me this is quite easy, and I quite like it because you can easily, there is so-called like this first column and this second column, there is a zip where you can put coin, etc. And there is also another slide here, so you can put those notes. And there's also another side here, yeah. And on the other side you have two pockets, so also same, so there's a two pocket here also. Okay, and let me count, see how many card you can place. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So 8 on each side, so it's 16, so you can put total 16 card inside, which I think that is good enough. And it's quite easy also. There's in slot in form, yeah. So and the stitches is in white color. Yeah, so of course, to me, I love this collection, so I don't mind. Maybe white color you might get dirty a little bit. Yeah, okay. So this is the so-called the product code. If you guys are interested, you guys can check it out. I think this collection is also selling pretty fast. Yeah, correct. So this is the price list is $1,120 SGD. Yep. Okay. So this is my new latest wallet, which I'm very excited to start using it. Yeah, so thank you very much for watching my video. Yeah, I hope to share another new video with you guys pretty soon. Remember to subscribe to my channel and click the like button, etc. So without further ado, I hope everyone is taking good care of yourself during this COVID season. And remember to wear a mask. Take care. Goodbye. See you guys.